What's up guys, this is Tech Explorer. Welcome to my channel and to my video. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe my channel for getting more videos. Do you love to play games? Then don't play the game for free. There's an app called Cube TV which is available in the Android and the Apple Store. It's a gaming community. You can go straight to Android store and search for Cube TV, or I will give the game link in the description below. I am opening it right now because I have already installed this app for using, so I am sharing my views and opinion on this app to you guys. If you are opening this app for the first time, then you need to register. Every day you have a free raffle. Just go and click the golden disc on the left side to raffle. Go and check your luck through it. Going through the category tab, if you click on the category tab on the right side top corner, then you can see plenty of games in there. There's Candy Crush Saga, PUBG, 8-Ball Pool and much more amazing games. You can be in any one of this list. If you have a favorite game, then that game will be in the list. Of course, this is a famous community, so you can be a part of this community also. On the home screen you can see the PUBG with 1212 views. Oh god, that's good, right? You can go live while playing your favorite game and be this shining star. Okay, just click on the video recorder icon that is on the golden background seen on the right side bottom corner. You can see that, and just by clicking that you can go live. To select your favorite game, you can click on the game bar right there. In the game bar you can see a lot of games, amazing games on this list. You can choose any one of the game. If your favorite game is not in the list, then you can recommend them to take that game onto the list. The one thing you should check, that you should give a proper title that you can attract more viewers to your gameplay. In your live gameplay, you can attract more viewers through entertaining words and challenging strategies. You can be good viewer also. By taking the others' video, you will become the fan of other games also. So you will discover more and more games on this community, because much gamers are playing games through this community. So you can discover much more games. You can go live whenever you need. There's no timing. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you guys.